Hello, pocket knife community, knife lovers, knife enthusiasts, interested viewers. Folder here. Yeah. So, I want to do a video on this Civivi product that I came across that I actually had a lot of use for. Isn't that the name of the game, right? EDC. We have use for these EDC products, right? It's not just a matter of buying things that we don't have use for. So yeah, I had a few instances where I really needed something like this, and then I found it, and so I picked it up. So let's just dive into this. This is the Tac-N-Tweeze Civivi precision tweezers. Yeah, that's what it is. Tweezers. Interesting, because I got a piece of metal caught in my finger some time ago, a little filing, and these are my wife's tweezers, normal tweezers. What are these? Beauty 360. They're metal. They might be aluminum. I don't know. Let's see. Are they magnetic? They are magnetic. So yeah, they're metal. They seem to be pretty high quality, but I could not get this thing out of my finger with regular tweezers. So I'm like, man, can someone make tweezers for, like, if you got a serious... I find myself taking a needle and sticking it in, trying to work it out, and then using the tweezers to pull it out. Well, guess what? The Tac-N-Tweeze fixed that whole problem. Yeah. So anyway, the way it works, you know what, before we get into that, let's just get into the specs. Closed is 3 inches. It's 3 inches. Open, and how you open it is you turn this knob here, and then it loosens the actual tweezers, and then they just come out like this. And if you notice, they're very pointy, and it's for really digging in, getting out whatever's stuck in there, and then you can turn it to the side, and they operate on the side here like a regular set of tweezers. And they're very stout, and they're made by Civivi. Like, really? So Bob Terzola is an American knife maker who actually made these, designed these, and he's a designer for Civivi. So I thought that was really interesting. So, all right, let's just get the maintenance out the way. Like I said, it's they're 4.7 inches open, 3 inches closed, and they weigh under an ounce, 0.85 ounces. And let's just do some comparisons. Let's compare it to the Spyderco PM2. That's how the Tac-N-Tweeze look next to a PM2. Let's compare it to the, what do we have here? PM3. Oh, got a PM3 over here. PM3. Yeah. Actually, we should be comparing it to the PM3 closed. Right? Yeah. So it's tweezers. But the reason why I'm doing a comparison, because they are inside of a casing. And it's stout. It's very stout. And here's one more comparison. How about comparing it to the Spyderco C28 Dragonfly? Wooden knife. Ah, there you go. That's close. Okay. All right. So, okay. So the way this is advertised is it's a special angle tip design for a tighter bite. Okay, and that definitely it does have. If you look at the way this thing is designed, it is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, it has a very sharp point, and it's really, you can really dig in there and get out some stuff. Okay, it's got jimping on the back, right near where the actual tweezing would go on, and it's retractable. Right? It's retractable. Just by being retractable, It's like almost like a folding knife, but it's a retractable knife, right? We like retractable things in the EDC community because it makes it smaller for you to carry and it takes away the danger, right? This is relatively sharp, so you don't have a sharp thing in your pocket. You retract it, you turn this knob right here. Wait, which way? Okay, that way. You turn the knob and there you go. It's locked in there. And it also has a keychain hole on the end, a lanyard hole on the end. It's made of stainless steel and brass, and it specifically says in the caution section, not for eyebrows or nose hair. Right? Do not tweeze your eyebrows with these or your nose hairs because it is, yeah, these are sharp. They are for digging under the skin, getting out heavy duty stuff. It's for people that are working, metal shavings, wood splinters that are deep in, people that are in the industry of working with their hands, and they're people who, who create things with their hands and work in those high, heavy labor intensive environments need something like this. Yeah. So did the Tac-N-Tweeze by Civivi. Only thing is, they weren't cheap. I mean, tweezers, $26. I mean, for me, to get that filing out, I'll pay the $26. Some people might not want to pay $26 for tweezers, but yeah. At any rate, yeah. So there, like I said, Civivi. I was shocked. I didn't think it was the same Civivi, but it actually is. So, all right. That's all I got.